Hello everyone. Today we have Unit 10, but this time we are going to talk about study skills in your workbook, page 92. Before we start talking about the exercises, let's talk about the objectives of this lesson. To identify how to order a sentence properly, to write the sentences correctly, and to match the words with their definitions accurately. Now, before we move on to talk about the first exercise, which is talking about word order, let's talk about how we can put the words in the correct order in a sentence. We have here 6 rules. 1 and 2, they are the same, but the other, they are different. Let's begin with 1 and 2. Word order, the abbreviation for word order, it means WO. When you see this abbreviation, it means that the sentence needs to put it in the correct word order. The first rule here, present simple tense. One of the key words of the simple present tense, we have always and never. In simple present tense, the structure will be like this. Subject, always or never, one of them, plus verb 1 and the complement of the sentence. If you want to correct the first 2 sentences, number 1, look at the abbreviation WO. It means you have a mistake in the word order. John plays football always at the weekend. You can notice that the word always is in the wrong place, so you have to put it in the correct place, and the correct place will be after John. John always plays football at the weekend. The second one, we have never. Never they have traveled by plane. They never have traveled by plane. Now we can say they have never traveled by plane. Here you can find that you can use never between have and the verb 3. Have and the verb 3. This is the first 2 sentences. Let's move on to talk about the third one. Number 3. Here we have a sentence with simple past tense. The structure will be subject, verb 2, preposition, phrase. Preposition phrase, it means you have a preposition and a noun. For example, at school, in the evening, in the afternoon. These what we call that preposition phrases. So, here we have, you are going to write the sentence correctly. At the beach, we arrived in the afternoon. We arrived, this is the subject and the verb. At the beach, where we arrived at the beach in the afternoon. This is the correct sentence. Now, sentence number 4. Questions. WH questions. WH questions. We are going to use why. Here the structure. Why, are or is plus subject plus verb plus ing. You can correct here the question. Look at the question here. Why the children are making such a noise? Look, such a noise. Here we have why the children. So, you are going to change our place. Why are the children making such a noise? This is the correct sentence. Number 5. Reported comments. We took this rule before, maybe in 5th grade. The structure will be who, told, whom, plus subject, then not to, plus infinitive verb. This is a comment. This is a reported comment. reported comments اللي هي إعادة الأوامر. Now correct the sentence. The teacher told the children to not shout. So the wrong here is with to not. It should be not to shout. This is the correct one. Now the last sentence. Negative agreement. In negative sentence, if we have negative sentence, you are going to use neither do I, or we can spell it like neither do I. Both of them are correct. So, you don't like bananas and neither I do. So we cannot say neither I do. We have to say neither do I. Neither do I. So this is the exercise 1 on page 92 in your workbook. Now, let's move on to the next exercise, which is talking about words and definitions. Definitions here, تعريفات. We have medicines, bones, sour, habitat, blood, pain, anxious, throat. The place where a plant or animal lives, it means yes, it is habitat. Word, it means anxious. The red liquid that flows through our bodies, it means blood. The part of the body behind the mouth, inside the neck, it means throat. We use these to treat illness. This is medicine. Hurting, it means sour. The strong hard parts of the body, it means bones. The feeling in the body when something hurts, pain. So, this is what we have on page 92. You can go to your workbook and write the correct answers. This is first. Second homework, you will have a worksheet on our website. In our website you can do the electric worksheet according to this page. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.